Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Telegram and making sure you're logged into the correct account. This matters because settings apply per account. Once done, go to the main chat list and tap the hamburger menu or profile icon. Make sure you have an active connection so changes save immediately. If you use desktop, open Settings from the 3-line menu. These first steps get you straight to the settings screen where safe search or content filters can be found. Proceed now to modify filters. You'll now navigate into privacy and security, then look for content settings or media visibility. Different platforms label it slightly differently. Once inside, locate safe search, sensitive content, or an explicit media filter and toggle it off. If Telegram prompts for age verification or a confirmation dialog, follow the steps and provide the required info. This prevents accidental disabling. Make sure to save changes or exit when the toggle reflects off. To finalize, close Telegram fully and reopen so the toggles propagate. Then test by performing a search and opening media that was previously hidden to confirm safe search is off. If content remains filtered, clear the app cache or sign out and back in. Sometimes cached state keeps old settings. Also verify any parental controls on your device or router that might override Telegram. If problems persist, update the app and retry, because older versions may not support the current content toggle behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.